Good morning. So today we'll concentrate on our next interview point of questions. That is, what is this keyword? What is this keyword? In normally this keyword we used in a lot of places. This main activity dot this like this. So what is the meaning of that? So that we can see here now. So if it is an this here, this refers the current instance or current object of the class. Simply it's a current object of the class. Current object of the class. So what is this current object of the class? So using this keyword we can access instance members. So using this we can access instant members of instant members of the class. So what is the meaning of instant members of the class? Instant members of the class is nothing but instance variables and instance methods. Means within us one class, whatever we have in a super class, whatever we have, those all methods we can access in this. So that is nothing but here this keywords refer this. So specifying of this keyword sometimes is optional, sometimes it's mandatory. This we could not say always it's mandatory. Sometimes it's optional or sometimes it's mandatory. Depends on the situation that it can be decided that sometimes it's mandatory and sometimes it's optional. So on what cases it's optional? So on what cases it optional? So first we can see this optional how it should be. So there is a if there is no confusion between the instant variable and local variable, then specifying this keyword is optional. Means there is a no huge difference between the both, then it could be optional. In such case, if we don't specify keyword, then the compiler will automatically specify that access of this. So that means in these cases there is no confusion between this local variable and global instant variable, then we no need to specify that. It's normally we can access this. And what are the cases it's mandatory? So these mandatory cases are this. It's a very important, because is there any confusion between the instant variable or local variable, then we need to specify this keyword. In this case is mandatory. In such case, if you won't specify this keyword, then compiler will also not specify this keyword and it will access local variable. If that case, what happens? If we want to access the instant variable, then programmer has to explicitly specify this. See, whenever we are creating this, see, like simply here I'm writing one public class main activity. So in our Android I'm writing like this, main activity, something extended, whatever it should be, let it be here. Within this here one more method is there, that is onCreate method could be there here, onCreate. So here whenever I declare here button, this time no need to declare, this comes into optional. So this can be accessible by here, this can be optional. But whenever you declare above of this, it's mandatory. See, this case it's optional. Whenever it's required above, like same code, if we are writing this here, it's a main activity. In this main activity, if I am specifying here button bt, then if I write here onCreate method, this time it's mandatory. Like these cases we can be decided that based on this, means if it is in a local easily accessing data, we no need to specify this. If it is not this, we need to specify this. So this is how we are specifying this. And about this, I have few more words here to this. This keyword can use it to access the instant members of current class Means this people will say this lot of definitions for this. Those definitions I'm saying one by one. This keyword can be used to access the instant members of the class. Also, this keyword can be specified either in constructor or instant of the current class. This keyword cannot be specified in static methods. We never used this in a static methods. This is used to access zero parameterized constructor of the current class. So whenever we are creating this constructor with zero parameters, we must ensure we need to use this. This keyword can be specified any parameterized constructor of any class. Any parameterized constructor that we can use. This keyword cannot specify in methods, either like instance or static methods. And finally, few more things. This keyword used to access parameterized constructors in the current class. Whenever you are using this parameterized constructor in the same class, we can use this keyword. Either this keyword can be either zero or parameterized constructor or other parameterized constructor of current class also we can use this. Cannot be specified in methods. This keyword we cannot specify in methods. Only this we can use in the classes. So this is about this keyword. So please subscribe to get more updates.